Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are gonna solve the surface area of some shapes and we're gonna grab the concept too. So welcome to Mathsaholic. So yeah, how are you guys doing and how is your prep for the exam or your school test? So what is the surface area? Basically you have to calculate the total surface area for this in this question. So the total surface area is that the area for this and all the sides. You need to get the area for all the sides. This is what the total surface area is. Okay, so let's go to the question. So the question number 1 says the diagram shows a cuboid. Find the total surface area of the cuboid. So in order to find the total surface area of the cuboid, one thing that I would like to do here is that there is a formula and there is a way of doing it manually. So what is the way of doing it manually is that first you can, what I'm trying to say is that this is the height, which is 4. So this is the height, this would be 4 too. Okay, so first what will I do is I will get the area for this only, for this part only, I will get the area for this part. So if I get the area for this part, what will happen, I will show you. So basically this is 12 times 4, which gives me 48 centimeters square. Okay, so if this is the front side, so there must be a back side too. Just let me show the complete shape, something like this. There is a back side too somehow. So this side on the back will also be 48, obviously, plus 48, which gives me the total of this. Then I calculate this side, then I will calculate this side. Okay, I will get the area for this. Then the side which is here, this one which is on the other side, the area for this and this will be same. I will add those both, and like this I will do vice versa for everything. So instead of doing this is also a way, but this is the manual way. So instead of working hard, we should work smart. So the formula for calculating the surface area of cuboid is, just write the formula that the total surface area is equals to 2 times length times width plus length times height plus width times height. This is your formula. Just use this formula right here and get your answer. So again, let's solve it. 2 times length times width. What is the length? The length is 12, so 12 times 5 plus length times height. The length is 12, the height is 4, so 12 times 4 plus width times height, 5 and 4, just multiply them, plus 5 times 4. Okay, which gives me 2 times 12 fives. What is 12 times 5? 12 times 5 is 60 plus 48 plus 20. So add them on, which will give me 128. 2 times 128. Okay, so what is 2 times 128? 2 times 128 is 256. There you go. Instead of working that much, you just got the answer using a formula. 256 is your angle. So let's move on to any other question. This is a harder one. First we will try to do a easy one, a bit easy, then we will jump on to the harder one. Let's do this question number 3, then we will do a harder question. So this is the question number 3, and we have to find the total. This is basically a triangular prism, and we have to find the total surface area of the triangular prism. Of this, there is a formula, and there is a formula, and as always there is the manual technique too. So what is the manual technique? That first I take out the area for this triangle for this triangle. I will take out the area for this triangle. So whatever the area is for this one, that will be for this one too. Goes the same for this one too. Okay guys, then whatever the area is for this one, basically I will add the area for this one, okay, the base basically. Then I will add the area for the other one, which is the top side, which is the top. This is the top. I will add the area for this one. Okay, then the back side, this is the back side, so I will add the area for the back side, and then I will add all of them, then I will get the total surface area. Okay, so this is the manual way, while there is a formula too. So what is the formula? The formula is guys, S1 plus S2 plus S3 times length plus base into height. So what is S1, S2 and S3? That's a very valid question. If you got this question, is that have to, this is the side 1, this is the side 2, and this is the side 3, which is 5 centimeter, and the length is 12. So let's try this. Side 1, which is 3 plus 4 plus 5 times 12 plus breadth into height, which is 3:4. This gives me a total of 144 plus 12. So what is 144 plus 12? 144 plus 12, which is 156. So what did I do is, if you guys didn't get it, basically I need to find the three sides in a triangular prism. So what are these three sides which I would find is, this is the first side. See, the sides should be of the triangle, not for the squares or the rectangle. This is the first side, this is the second one. Okay, so I need to find the third one, and this is, let's suppose this one is 5 centimeter since it is labeled here. So this is the other side. So what did I do? That I added 3 plus 4 plus 5 as per the formula. Okay, then I multiplied it with 12, which is something like 12. This was, the sum was 12 times 12 plus 3 times 4. Why 3 times 4? Which is breadth times height. This is the breadth, this is the height. Okay, so 12 times 12 is 144 plus 12 gives me 156 centimeter square. So yeah, this is your answer, 156 centimeter square. Okay guys, so now let's solve question number 7. Okay, let's do question number 7. So here, this is a bit harder one. The diagram shows a cylindrical tank. The tank has a top and a bottom. 4 of these tanks are going to be painted. Each tank has a diameter of 50 centimeter and a height of 1.5 meter. Each pot of paint can cover 4 meters square. How many pots of paint are needed to paint 4 tanks? So basically what they are saying is कि इस तरह के total 4 tank है, ठीक है? There are 4 tanks like this. मेरी इतनी pathetic drawing पे बिल्कुल ना जाइएगा, बहुत ही गंदी drawing है मेरी, but I'm just trying to explain कि इस तरह के 4 tanks है और उनको paint करना है, ठीक है? उनको paint करना है, और जो एक basically जो pot है, this is the pot for the paint. It covers 4 meter square. ओके, सो इस तरह हमें बेसिकली कितने पॉट्स चाहिए होंगे कि हम इन 4 सिलेंडर्स को, ये जहाँ पर सिलेंडर्स है 4, इनको हमें पेंट करना है. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. ओके गाइस, सो इसमें हमें क्या दिया हुआ है? इसमें हमें डायमीटर दिया हुआ है विच इज़ 50 एंड वी आर गिवन अ हाइट ऑफ 1.5. सो फर्स्ट थिंग विच आई एम गोना डू इज आई एम गोना कैलकुलेट द रेडियस. So how to calculate the radius? Radius equals to diameter divided by 2. Radius equals to, which is the diameter, 50 divided by 2 gives me 25 centimeter is the radius. Okay guys, this is the radius here. So now we got the radius, and now we have to find the surface area. So how are we going to do this? We will calculate the surface area. Surface area हम लोग इसको पूरा surface area calculate करेंगे, and we are going to go manually for this time. So we are going to calculate total surface area of this cylinder, and then we are gonna see, और फिर हम total surface area को pot के जितना भी pot की measurement है उससे divide कर देंगे to get the number of pots needed. Since we got the radius, since you see that each pot can cover 4 meter cube, इधर हमें मीटर दिया हुआ है, and the height is also 1.5 meter, but the tank is, the diameter is given in centimeter, so we have to convert the 25 centimeter radius which we calculated into meter, which is 0.25 meter. Okay, so we got this. Now in order to find the surface area, so the surface area would be, first we find for the top the circle, there is a circle on the top. We're gonna go manual. So this is the circle, as you see, this is the circle here. Whenever there are complex shapes, it's better to do manual, but when they are easy shapes, so it's better to go for the method, the formula. And this is the bottom. Okay, so since they mention that the tank has a top and a bottom, okay, I'm gonna highlight this, a top and the bottom. So since this is the bottom, this is the top, so let's calculate the area for the top. Okay, so the area for the top is, so the formula is pi r square, which is then pi 0.25 square. Okay, which is pi times 0.25 square gives me 1 over 16 pi, or you can say pi over 16, 1 over 16 pi, which gives me 1 over 16 pi. And then the bottom, so to calculate the bottom, we are going to go the same, that it's pi r square, pi times 0.25 square, which is also 1 over 16 pi. Okay guys, after this we have to find out the curved area. So what is the curved area? Curved area is basically this is the curve, क्योंकि cylinder बिल्कुल इस तरह का नहीं होता straight, it's a bit curved. यहाँ पे देख सकते हो कि it's going like this, basically ये ऐसे जा रहा है, it's going like this, it's going like this, so that means this is curved. Okay, so how do we calculate the curved surface area? So for the curved area, we need to get the circumference, and from the circumference we need to multiply the circumference with the height of the total cylinder. Okay, so this is the curved area. अगर लिख लो, हमारा जो curved surface area है उसके लिए हम लोगों को circumference निकालनी है. For circumference it's pi d. So since it's 50 centimeter, which उसके लिए अगर हम इसको change कर देंगे 50 centimeter को, which will give me 0.5 meter, which is the diameter here. ठीक है, ये diameter है. So this will be curved surface area calculate करने के लिए pi 0.5 times 1.5, okay, which gives me 3 over 4 pi. After this, अब हमें basically total surface area इसका निकाल लेंगे. Okay guys, total surface area निकाल लेंगे हम लोग. Total surface area निकालने के लिए we need to get the total surface area. Since we got this as the first one, second one, third one, so basically ये हो जाएगा, we add them all for the total. ठीक है, total के लिए we are gonna add them all. Let's add them. 3 over 4 pi plus pi over 16, because this is 1 over, ये multiply हो जाएगा, which gives me plus pi over 16. So this is the total, which is 7 over 8 pi. Okay, इसको हम लोग decimal में कर देंगे, which is 2.74889 meters square. ठीक है, सो बेसिकली ये हमारे पास टोटल सरफेस एरिया है एक का। अब नोटिस करिए जो क्वेश्चन में बोला हुआ है कि हमारे पास इस तरह के 4 टैंक्स है। ओके, वी नीड टू पेंट 4 टैंक्स लाइक दिस। अगर एक टैंक का सरफेस एरिया इतना है, अगर एक टैंक का सरफेस एरिया इतना है तो 4 का कितना होगा? 4 का निकालने के लिए हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे। ठीक है, मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय 4 will give you 10.99 मीटर स्क्वायर। ठीक है, अब हमें पता चल गया कि जो चारों टैंक्स हैं उन चारों टैंक का जो टोटल सरफेस एरिया है वो है 10.99 मीटर स्क्वायर। और जो एक हमारी पेंट बकेट है, बेसिकली देखो इधर हमें यहाँ पे लेट्स यूज द रेशियो दैट 1, ठीक है, यहाँ पे एक टैंक टू द पेंट। ठीक है, एक टैंक को पेंट करने के लिए हमें 4 मीटर बेसिकली बेसिकली जो हमारे पास एक पॉट है, एक पॉट में हमारे पास 4 मीटर स्क्वायर का पेंट होता है। ओके, एंड सिंस वी हैव द टोटल ऑफ 10.99, सो व्हाट विल वी डू इज 10.99 डिवाइडेड बाय 4। तो क्या हो जाएगा, ये इक्वल पार्ट्स में कर देगा। सो 10.99 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 gives me 2.7475। अब जाहिर सी बात है 2.74 ये जो भी है 2.7475 जो आ रहा है हमारा आंसर। अब इसको तो हमारा जो 2.7 आ रहा है, हम लोग 2 तो हम लोग पॉट्स खरीद लेंगे, 2 पॉट्स तो हम खरीद सकते हैं, वी कैन बाय 2 पॉट्स, बट द थिंग इज वी कांट बाय 0.7 पॉट्स, सो ultimately we need to get 1 more pot, so this is basically 3 pots in total we need to get to paint 4 of these tanks, 3 pots. I hope you understand this video. थोड़ी सी लंबी हो गई होगी वीडियो, but it's worth it. So thanks for watching. We will meet in another video inshallah soon, and share this to your friends too. Bye bye.